Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We have here this fairly big cold front that is going to maintain rainy weather for the first half of your Thursday along the southwest coastline and the adjacent interior, but it should become dry this afternoon over those parts of the country. However, we are going to see this cold front spreading the rain throughout the day into much of the south coast, reaching Port Elizabeth later on this afternoon. Much of the east coast should get away with partly cloudy skies. It's going to be sunny for the rest of South Africa with cool to mild afternoon temperatures in most areas. Fairly warm, however, across the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. And we have another cold front that is having its eyes set for our shores. Now, this Thursday, you can expect up to a 40% chance of rain along much of the south coast as well as parts of the southwest coastline. We have a warning in place for high seas this Thursday, extending from Cape Agulhas into Port Alfred, where wave heights of between 6 and 7 meters are expected in places. Here's a look at top temperatures for your Thursday afternoon. Mahikeng should peak at around 23, just a degree cooler for Johannesburg as well as Polokwane. Rather hot for Mbombela and Palaboro with highs in the upper 20s and lower 30s. It's going to be mild this afternoon for much of the Free State and the Eastern Cape, where highs in the upper teens and lower 20s are forecast in most areas. Warmer for KwaZulu-Natal, Ladysmith peaking at around 24 degrees. Moderate to fresh southwesterlies are forecast this Thursday between Port St. John's and Richards Bay, but it's going to be breezy for East London and Port Elizabeth, where winds gusting to 50 kilometers per hour are expected. We are expecting fairly big swell heights off the east coast, averaging around 4.5 meters, with the swell coming from a south to southwesterly direction. Highs in the upper teens are forecast across much of the southern interior. Fairly warm, however, for Vredendal, hitting the 20-degree mark. We are expecting similar temperatures along much of the south coast. It's going to be fairly breezy between Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay. Big swell heights are also forecast off the south coast. It's going to be cool this afternoon for the southern parts of the Northern Cape, a bit warmer for the northeastern sections with highs around 22 for Prieska and Kimberley. Light to moderate winds are forecast along much of the west coast. Southwesterlies for the Cape Peninsula, where Cape Town should warm to around 16 degrees. Big swell heights are also forecast off the west coast. On Friday, it's going to be mostly sunny for much of South Africa, just a bit of cloud for parts of the east coast and over eastern South Africa.